find the values of this 10 raised to the power of 0.204 and 10 raised to the power 3.204 using our antilog table. Solution. The first question, A, we have 10 raised to the power of 0.204. Now, what we need basically is just the antilog of 0.204. That is, 10 raised to the power of 0.204 is the same thing as the antilog of 0.204. And we know to find the antilog of this number, what we need to find is just the antilog of the decimal part. So the decimal part our 0.204 gives, under your antilog table, you check 20 under 4. That is, you have your x numbered 0.00 to 0.99. You have your x numbered 1 to 9. And here you have numbered 1 to 9. So what we need to check is 0.20 under 4, which is going to give us 1600. And that's the value we need, because 204 is the same thing as having 0.2040, and we don't have any difference of 0. So we are just retaining our 20 under 4, 1600. So gives 1600. So therefore, 10 raised to the power of 0.204 becomes equal to 1600. Now, for us to know where the decimal place is going to be, that determines on this integer 0. You add 1 to it, that's 1. So that means our decimal point will be after the first digit. And that gives us our answer 1.600 or 1.6, because they are the same thing. Now for the second example, 10 raised to the power of 3.204. We know already that this will be equal to the antilog of the power, 3.204. So here, all we have to do is, we already know that 20 under 4 in our logarithm antilog table gives us 1600. So here, 10 raised to the power of 3.204 becomes equal to, write that out, 1600. And to determine where our decimal point is going to be, we have 3 as this integer. That means our decimal point will be after the first 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. So decimal point is going to be here. Then we can have 0, 0 here, which is the same thing as having just 1600. That is, 10 raised to the power of 3.204 will give us 1600. Thank you.